Hello, I'm in a 2010 Jeep Patriot. Today I'm going to show you how to check any check engine codes on the vehicle without a code reader. I don't actually have codes right now, but again, if you do, you're going to have like a solid check engine symbol here. But I'll go through the process here for you. So we're going to actually want to start in the off position, and then we're going to cycle this very quickly to the on and off 3 times. And when you're successful, right here you're going to see some dashes appear where these numbers are. And then if you do have a check engine light, it should give you a handful of digits there, various letters and whatnot, to show you what the code is. So we're going to try it now. So again, off position to start, and then cycle on and off quickly 3 times, and then it'll display here. So 1, 2, 3. Yep. See these dashes here? If I had a code, it would show some sort of numbers there. And then obviously on your own, then you can look at what the codes are and hopefully fix your car appropriately and get the check engine light reset. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful to you. This should work in a lot of various Chrysler and Jeep models as well. I just happen to be in a 2010 right now for this. But otherwise, hope you have a wonderful day, and any questions appreciated in the comments. Have a great day. Bye.